boys and girls, it's Miss Davis here. As I told you this morning in our morning message that I had a very big surprise for you today. And in our morning message, I said that we were going to hatch chicks. Well, when I went up to school the other day, I brought home our incubator. Hatching chicks is something we normally do in a class together, but since we're apart, I wanted to bring them home so that we could still hatch them together, even if it was through video and lives on Facebook. I first wanted to give you a little background about chicks and hatching before we start and set the incubator. So at a farm, a hen will lay a group of eggs that is called a clutch. And once she gets about 6 to 7 eggs, she'll sit on the nest and she won't leave until it's time for the chicks to hatch. She might leave a couple times a day to get food or water, but she stays on there most of the day, keeping the chicks the chicks and the eggs perfectly warm. So she also does something with her feet. She'll turn the eggs slowly with her feet so they stay warm on all their sides. Well, we don't have a hen here at my house, and not all hens will do that, just sometimes. But we have a special tool that we use if you're hatching at home or in a classroom. It's called an incubator. And an incubator acts as the mother hen by keeping it perfectly warm at 99.5 degrees and the humidity perfect as well. So the humidity is the amount of moisture or water in the air. So the humidity and the temperature have to be perfect in order for the chicks to grow and develop and then hatch. I'm going to turn the phone around so that you can see the incubator. This is our incubator, and here's the temperature on top, the 99.5 degrees. It says day 21. Today is the first day, so it's going to start at 21 and count backwards till it gets to 0. On day 0 is the day that our chicks will hatch. And the humidity says 44% right now. It needs to be between 45 and 50 or more, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more water after this video. This tool that we use keeps the chicks warm and the humidity the right percentage for the chicks to grow and develop. I'm going to open it up. We also have another tool in here called the egg turner. So this is the egg turner. We're going to keep it in here for 18 days. On day 18, we're going to take the baby, the chick eggs out of the incubator, and we're going to lay them on their side so that they can get in position to hatch. So their bodies are going to move so that they're at the right spot for them to hatch. When we put the eggs in the incubator, we're going to put them in with the round side up, pointy side down, so that the chicks will be in the perfect position to grow and develop. At the top of the egg is the air sac. And as we candle the chicks, we'll do that next Monday. You'll get to see the air sac inside. So that's going to be what the chick breaks through first. They have a very special part of their beak on the end that's just there for about a week after they hatch, and it's called the egg tooth. And the egg tooth is really sharp, and it helps them break through and crack through the egg. So up here is the egg sac, and that's what they're the air sac, and that's what they're gonna break through at first to take their first breath. So here's the pointy end, and here's the more round end. The pointy end's going to go down, the round's going to go on the top, and we will set all of our eggs in just a second. I wanted to talk about the turner. It's going to rotate the eggs side to side throughout the day to keep the eggs warm on all sides. This is another tool that we're going to use. It's called a candler. And it's just a really strong, powerful flashlight that's going to let us see inside the chicken egg. So next Monday on day 7, we're going to come back into our laundry room. We're going to turn off the lights so that it's really, really dark in here, and we will be able to look inside the egg with a very, very powerful flashlight. So I had picked up 20 eggs from our school, and they're not the kind of eggs that you eat. They're a very special egg that has a baby chick inside. They're not the kind that you eat from the store, and they're different from the ones that I sent home. I'm going to set all 20 of our eggs, and then Granny dropped by some 15 more eggs for us this morning. So we're going to set a total of 35 eggs. So I'm going to put them all in our incubator. And really the incubator's job is to just keep the eggs warm and safe. That's one from one of our new chicks. How it's much smaller than the other eggs. I don't know if they're going to hatch because they're so small. That's from Elsa. You can see it's much smaller than the rest of the eggs, but we're going to try and just see. We have all different color eggs. We have light brown, dark brown, green, blue. They're all special. So in a week, we're going to come back in here. Like I said, we're going to candle the eggs, and we're going to check to see how they're developing. Can we see the baby chick inside? Are there some that might not be developing, that might be dead? Sometimes that happens, boys and girls. That's a part of life and the life cycle. So here are the eggs from Granny, from her special chickens on her farm. And she has different chickens than me, so when these chickens hatch, it's going to be very interesting to see what they all look like when they finally hatch. And one more, so we have a total of 35 eggs. Now, every day, oh, okay, I forgot one. Here's one more. I'm gonna go ahead and close our incubator. As you can see, the temperature's changed because we had the top open, so some of the heat escaped out of our incubator, excuse me. And that's it. Every day I'm going to show you a picture of what the baby chicks look like inside the egg. So I have these sets. There's 21 eggs, and each day it shows you what the chick looks like inside the developing egg. So this is day 1. This is what our chicks look like right now. That little white spot is the start of a chick. And every day you'll be able to see how they grow and change. All right, boys and girls, bye.